So I'm about to take a triple upgrade. I'm going to take triple big shot, and I've already got tome of power, so it's going to be a total of plus 220 bullet 220% bullet size on the grenade launcher. So it'll either be very strong or kill me immediately. Be very funny either way. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's also not that strong because my fire rate's so low. But either way, I think this run's probably still under control, hopefully. Got 4 minutes to go. Oh my god. Magic lens has more bullet size. Oh, I completely forgot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is a catastrophe. Oh, and if I get the bigger magic lens, the effect is doubled. That will actually kill me, right? Like, I don't think... I have to try it. Oh my god, I have to try it before it's too late. Fuck. Oh no. We got it. Okay. Will I be able to survive? Grenades shot through here. Just barely. Look, they're right on the edge of my hitbox. Do I take Splinter? With a minute 30 left to go, I'm gonna take Splinter. If I just stand perfectly still, the splinters won't reach me as long as I kill everything soon enough. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, this is pretty good. Oh god, that one came straight for me. We survived. Have a good night.